What's up, guys? Zelda the Mk6 coming right back at you with some new content. I'm super excited. I just got a new package in and I can't wait to show y'all guys. Without further ado, look what we got here, boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You already know? You already know the Cobb Accessport. The Cobb Accessport. I don't think there's anything else. Oops, sorry. I'm using my phone, guys, so please work with me. I do plan on getting a GoPro and all that eventually. Okay, so there's nothing else. Cool. So we're just gonna toss that shit right there. All right. So yeah, like I was saying, I do plan on getting a GoPro eventually, guys. I'm just, you know what I'm saying, on a budget. But yeah, look at that. Sheesh. And I'm gonna do the install video for y'all too. Look at that. Sheesh. What is this? Accessport install instructions. That's cool. Look at that. Dang. Hell yeah. So with that being said, look at that. Comes with this case right here. That's what's got the pride and joy in there. Comes with the Cobb Accessport keychain. How cool is that, guys? Look at that. Hashtag Cobb tuning. You know? That's gonna go on the keychain for sure. And then you see this box right here? You see this one? Yeah, you see that? Just toss that bitch. You know what I'm saying? And then just gonna do this. Guys, I'm doing this with one-handed. So if y'all guys could please give me a thumbs up and comment on the video just for me trying and everything, I would greatly appreciate that. I don't even have a phone stand, you know what I mean? So that's what sucks. Like, let's see. Oh no. I dropped the piece. Hold on. I'm finna grab it right now. Okay. Well, I don't know what this thing is, but maybe y'all guys will tell me in the comments what this is for. So here you got your power cord. This plugs into the Cobb Accessport. This plugs into the OBD. Now, I know there's other videos out there, so y'all guys probably don't care about this, but I would appreciate it if y'all guys would show me some content. I mean, not content, I'm retarded, sorry. If y'all guys would show me some love. Man, I'm really trying to do this with one hand, it's crazy. All right, ready? So this is the mount. I'm trying to debate. I mean, I plan on getting a phone mount and etc. later on. I'm trying to find like a good. Oh, it does come with a alcohol prep pad. Cool. I didn't know if it came with this or not, but it came with that. So that's what's up. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this little trash thing over here. You know what I'm saying? And look, you got this right here. This is gonna attach to. Oh look, you can move it and everything. So that's pretty cool. Excuse my fingernails. I've been pretty busy, I'm not gonna lie, and I just haven't found time to cut my fingernails. So please excuse me. All right, so what y'all guys think? Like right here? Right here? You think that'll work? I mean, it's only gonna be temporary, you know? You know, and plus, I mean, you know what I mean? Cause like, I don't want to put it over here or whatever because it's not gonna work, you feel me? So I'm just thinking about like right here, you feel me? And then I'm gonna get like my a phone mount to hold that Accessport. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, that is a mini Zelda, you know what I'm saying? Because my Mk6 GTI, I named her Zelda the Mk6. So to make it even better, I got a mini Zelda. So with that being said, let's open this up, shall we? We're gonna see this bad boy right here. Alright. Wow. You got a cord right here. I'm assuming that's for the, you know, do the tune today. Look at that. Cobb Accessport V3 Stage 1 calibration. That's pretty cool. So it's a sticker. So like you can put this on your car if you want. I might. I don't know yet. Then of course, you know, you got the installation of this Accessport over anything other than OEM or Cobb software may result in ECU TCU failure. Remember that, guys. Remember that. For anybody who has a Subaru, what is it, the Ford Focus ST, Fiesta ST, or even a Volkswagen, if there's a Cobb Accessport for it, just remember that right here. Okay, remember that. Okay, so now, shit, look at that bad boy, you know, and oh my gosh, yo, this is fucking radical. I'm so happy right now. Now, I'm not gonna lie, guys, y'all guys probably gonna like disown me right now, but like I can't upload a tune right now currently, just because I do have some mad oil leaks right now. You know, I do have some gaskets that do need to be repaired. I got the parts, I have the parts, I just haven't gotten time to doing it. So just bear with me. Later on, you know, then we should be able to get the tune. I got 2 Cobb stickers right here. For anybody who follows me on Instagram, Zelda the Mk6, for anyone who follows me and you're local and you have a Subaru, a Ford Focus ST, Fiesta ST, or even a Volkswagen that has a Cobb tuner and you want a Cobb sticker, if you don't already have one, let me know. I would be down to do a giveaway. With that being said, we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying, I gotta put mines over her, you know, and then this one, look, whoever wins this sticker is gonna be up in this thing right here, you know what I'm saying. What is this here? Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh look, it comes with that extra plate. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna look at this thing right here. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a long video, but I promise it's gonna be worth it. Look at that. You know, it's the holder right here, you know, and then look, all the trash we're just gonna put right there, you know. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean all that up, but you know, look at this. So this thing right here, look at that. So if anyone doesn't want this silver plate or whatever, there's a black one. All right. So guys, I'm gonna get back to y'all once the OBD cords plugged in, etc. So that way, you know, the video doesn't look all funky and everything. So with that being said, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's me, Zelda the Mk6. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was a little bit too happy and I forgot to record the cord process and uploading the stage 0 tune and etc. The only reason I uploaded the stage 0 tune is because, well, I still gotta fix my oil leaks, etc. So after that's all fixed and done, then I'll upload a tune, etc. But with that being said, as you can see right here, the OBD cord is plugged in. I have it right here, have it tied up like that, comes around over here like that, and then that's where I have it mounted and set up. So with that said, I'm just gonna press this or press cancel and then go back to gauges. All right, so how I have it set up is I got boost pressure, coolant temp, oil temp, AFR, engine temp, and knock. Now, if y'all want to let me know in the comment section below if I just need this one and not this one, then let me know, but I just did it just in case. So with that being said, as y'all can see, I'm gonna go ahead and start my car. Now, I do have a mad exhaust leak, I'm not gonna lie, and besides the oil leak, so it may sound a little not normal, but just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me because I plan on getting like everything fixed, etc. soon. All right, so with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. And there you go, it's just a 1 PSI. Yeah, look, you can tell by that little rev hang. I still got some stuff to fix, but yeah, that's about it right now. There it is. I would get some videos of me driving with it, etc. But just bear with me. It's probably not going to be the best, just because the fact that, well, I don't have a GoPro yet, etc. So I'm gonna have to use my phone. So just bear with me. With that being said, I'm gonna get a couple clips. They may be short, if not maybe like a decent length, but we'll see what happens. At the end of the day, I hope y'all guys still like it, and I hope y'all guys are having a great Friday so far. Alright guys, here's a rolling footage of the Accessport. I'm gonna try to do my best to keep my hands sturdy. It is pretty bumpy. I am in 3rd gear, so this one will be a short clip for sure. It's gonna be like, you know, like right here, I'll get on it. Woo! Man, I'm not gonna let it even feel great. Just saying. Hope y'all guys liked it.
Hey guys, out of the Mk6 coming right back at you. Totally forgot to make the video whenever I got back home, but you know, crap happens. Anyways, I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Hope y'all guys enjoy the content. Like the video, comment what you think. You know, if you got a Volkswagen or a German Euro, whatever, with the Cobb Accessport, comment below. And subscribe for more.